Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we got ourselves a leaky pinion seal. Not only in the back, we got one up front too. Well, you can't see it, never mind. So I need to run to the stove and pick up 2 1/8 inch socket for that because I don't have one. 1, 2, 3. 3 threads in. Okay, we're moving. Jesus. Meant for this. This ain't gonna work. Okay, well, we got the pinion seal replaced. We got it waited overnight for all the RTV stuff to chooch off. And we filled it back up with gear oil. I edited out all the parts where I was screaming and cussing, so yeah, that would be the whole build. So, no, I still have to do the front one, so I'll film that one. But yeah, this back one, I just ran out of time, so I had to just get it done. Okay, take 2. Oops, what's going on? I want it to go off. There we go. Huh. Well, it's very easy right now. Ah, there we go. There we go. Oh, nom nom nom. Nothing tastes delicious like flavor of molybdenum disulfide. And I can tell you, when I busted that off, I was cussing tracks off grid because I had sent him my tiger tool. I sent him a text and said, "Hey dude, are your ears burning?" That dude overnighted my tiger tool. Well, it's actually technically his tiger tool. Overnighted me his tiger tool. Cost him like $180 to overnight the thing to me. Now that is freaking awesome. Thanks, dude. I really, really appreciate it. Well, no, let me finish this first, and then I'll tell you whether I appreciate it or not. I appreciate it anyway. delicious. Oh yeah, that is chock full, beautiful. I'll replace those caps anyway. Actually, I have another U-joint. Might as well replace this thing. Uh-oh. Might be in trouble. Danger. Danger, Will Robinson. Oh, crap. Well, shit snacks. Son of a bitch. Am I gonna have to take it out from here and here? I don't think I can get it up there, can I? Nope. Penis. Well, one way we can do it is jack up the front end and crank a wheel until this thing turns, which I think is what we're going to do. Unless I can think of some other easier way to get this thing to... All right. Very, very sneaky. You sons of bitches. All right. Well. Shut that damn thing off. Obnoxiously loud. Oh man. Spooge City. I know, you'd think I'd have an 1 1/4 inch socket, but I don't. Actually I do, but it's 3/4 inch drive. I just don't feel like pulling that out right now. Oh, golly. Oh, I know what somebody is getting for Christmas. Oh. Oh shit. That's what I forgot to do. Strap it up. Some shoe off. And again. And got it. There we go. All right. Huh. It's still great. Like it's the Bryce, dude. So I was talking about. It's still like soft. It's like you might want to throw that RTV away. I think that's the problem right there. Is that RTV never set. Huh. Well, shit snacks. Okay, let's get a puller on this thing. One homemade puller. to the rescue. Or not. We went past the half-hour mark at some point. Bastard. Come on. Ow! God damn it! Whore. 1, 2. Okay, I gotta go another one. shit. There we go. There we go, guys. Wow, freaking dirty and beat up. But almost out of battery again. So, well, there's how you replace a pinion seal. We hope. So tomorrow we'll re-lube the U-joints and throw the grease back in and we'll be good to go. Well, give it a test drive and then we'll see if we're good to go.